To add a vehicle to your Tesla account, start by opening the Tesla mobile app version 4.25 or later on your smartphone. Once logged in, tap on the menu and navigate to the Vehicles section. In the Vehicles section, select the Add Vehicle option. Enter your vehicle's VIN manually or use Bluetooth or QR code scan for automatic detection. Confirm ownership by entering the one-time verification code sent to your car's touchscreen or email. Once verified, your vehicle is linked, enabling remote access to features like climate control and software updates. Tesla's digital key integration has revolutionized how owners add vehicles to their accounts, eliminating the need for physical keys and simplifying the process. Starting in 2023, digital keys were introduced for iPhone users, allowing phone-based access. By 2024, Tesla expanded this to universal digital keys, supporting both iOS and Android devices. To add a vehicle, open the Tesla app and scan a QR code provided by the vehicle. This automatically populates the vehicle identification number and links the car to your account instantly. The digital key system now extends to family sharing, allowing multiple users to access vehicles through various devices like smartphones and smartwatches, enhancing convenience for households with multiple Teslas. To remove a vehicle from your Tesla account, start by opening the Tesla mobile app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, navigate to the Vehicles section in the menu. This is where all your linked vehicles are listed. From the vehicles list, select the specific vehicle you want to remove by tapping on it. In the Vehicles Settings menu, look for the Remove Vehicle option, usually found in the Account or Management section. Tap Remove Vehicle and you'll see a confirmation dialog. Select Yes to proceed, but note that this action requires careful consideration. Confirming the removal will unlink the vehicle from your account. This means you'll lose remote access to features like climate control, charging, and software updates. However, if you still own the vehicle, you can re-add it to your account later by following the Add Vehicle process. If you're selling your Tesla, the first step in transferring ownership is to remove the vehicle from your account in the Tesla app. Navigate to the Vehicles section, select the car you want to transfer, and choose the Remove option. This disconnects your account from the vehicle. Next, the buyer needs to reach out to Tesla support. This can be done through the app's chat feature or by calling customer service. They'll need to provide documentation proving the sale, like a bill of sale or receipt. Once Tesla receives and verifies the buyer's information, they will update the account details. This includes transferring billing responsibilities, warranty coverage, and full ownership to the new buyer. Throughout the transfer process, make sure the vehicle is placed in transport mode. This can be done via the car's touchscreen and helps prevent any unauthorized access while the ownership is being transferred. This ownership transfer process is semi-automated through the Tesla app, which has reduced reliance on customer service calls. The verification and update usually take between 24 to 48 hours to complete. Tesla owners with multiple vehicles can manage up to 10 cars through a single account in the Tesla app without any additional fees. This feature simplifies managing your entire fleet, whether for personal use with family vehicles or commercial operations. Fleet operators benefit from the bulk add feature, which allows adding multiple vehicles at once. This has been shown to reduce downtime by 30% compared to manual processes. However, with multiple vehicles comes increased responsibility for security. Always enable two-factor authentication to protect your account and all associated vehicles from unauthorized access. If you're having trouble adding a vehicle due to VIN verification failures, first ensure you have a stable internet connection. Double-check that the VIN is entered correctly without spaces or typos. You can usually find the VIN on the driver's side dashboard or door jamb. Connectivity problems often occur when the Tesla app cannot connect to your vehicle. This might happen in areas with poor cellular signal or during app updates. Try restarting the app and ensuring your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. If issues persist, check for app updates or restart your vehicle. Ownership transfer delays can take 24 to 48 hours for verification. If you're experiencing longer delays, contact Tesla support through the app or by phone. Provide your account details and proof of sale. For users in rural areas, occasional app bugs may cause issues, so be patient and try again later. Remember, connectivity can be challenging in rural areas with limited internet access. If problems continue, Tesla support is available to assist you. Looking ahead, Tesla's account management system is evolving with deeper integration into smart homes and subscription-based services. Expect features like full self-driving and premium connectivity to become increasingly account-shared, making it easier to manage multiple vehicles. By 2030, experts forecast fully AI-driven account management where vehicles could self-register and adapt to user needs. Blockchain-based ownership verification will enhance security and transparency for transfers. Be aware of challenges including regulatory hurdles like EU data privacy laws and cybersecurity risks. Despite these challenges, Tesla aims for 100% digital ownership by 2028, revolutionizing how we manage electric vehicles.